Yo guys, Spider-Ninja Miller, and guys, I am so excited. Inside this box, shipped to me from Walmart, should be Elite 2.0's hammershot, the Trailblazer. 8-shot capacity. I have been so hyped for this blaster for a while, ever since I first heard about it on Lord Drax's channel. I gave Drax a shout out. Hopefully one day I get to meet him. Alrighty. This box. Oh my god. Oh, look at that beauty. Nobody got time for that. Oh my gosh, this thing's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. Let's see here. Got classic hammer, classic trigger, 8-round cylinder, and a longer muzzle. Alrighty guys, well I think we should do some YouTube magic, and so here she is guys. The Trailblazer, the hammershot equivalent that I have been waiting for a while. As you guys know, the hammershot is my favorite blaster of all time, and I'm not sure if this shall replace it, but so far it looks amazing. My only gripe so far is this grip. The grip seems a little too tiny, but it's pretty decent to hold. That hammer is very comfy. I guess we'll test to see if this has slam fire. One thing I noticed, this has a giant gaping hole so you can load. And as you guys see, we have some new elite darts, some really kind of turquoise with a baby blue. Wouldn't you say, Josh?
Yeah, I guess.
Alrighty, let's load her up. Does that sound like a guitar? Oh, and as you guys notice, I'm finally better. I have a quick healing factor, as you saw from the short earlier today. Guys, I guess if you can comment on that video, let me know what you thought of the makeup, and let me know if you want to see that makeup work again. I shall definitely hope to see it soon. Alrighty, she loaded. Now, let's test towards that wall over there. Ooh. That's good. Alrighty guys, let's see about the main thing that this has. Or hopefully it has. I'm sorry, what?
It has it. Beautiful.
Oh my god! Ooh! This is a beauty! You know what this kind of reminds me of now that I think about it? Something from like Destiny, right?
Oh yeah, a little bit. It does have 8 shots.
8 shots. Wouldn't you say like last one maybe?
Last word.
Last word or
last word.
Last word, or what would you say?
Last word.
Well, no, not last word. The other one, Ace of Spades.
Ace of Spades doesn't have 8 shots. Last word does.
Well, this is, I meant
last word has precisely 8 shots.
Or some people would say this looks like McCree's blaster. Have you some world? Well, guys, so far I'm impressed, but I think we're going to do something a little differently. As you guys know, I'm not in the Spider's Nest right now. I am with Web Warrior JP, and we're going to do something a little different. Even though it's cold outside, we're going to take this outside and see how far this shoots. So, let me just grab this last one over here. Oy! As I still need to rotate the barrel. Ooh, my bad, Dart. Alrighty, let's go grab our coats. Let's go outside. Alrighty guys, we're outside. It's a little chilly, but we're doing pretty good. We're right now about to just test this, see how far it fires, and see if Elite 2.0 didn't screw me over. Oh, it's a neighbor. Hello, neighbor. Alrighty. Let's shut the door. Then what's your stairs?
Wow.
One more. Okay, guys, let's get this cold. Guys, it's official. Elite 2.0 did not screw over this time. I actually really like this blaster. You know, I might put a link in the description for this because, guys, this is phenomenal. I am really impressed with this blaster. I don't know if it'll be my favorite, but I could probably dual wield this with my hammer shot. I still have to use it for a little bit, but I like it, guys. Well, guys, see you in the next video. Web Warrior JP and Spider Benjamin Miller are signing out.